Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run DayZ on a low-end PC. First, ensure your system is ready. Update your graphics drivers to the newest stable version for maximum compatibility and performance. Also, make sure your operating system is completely up to date. Before launching the game, close all background applications like web browsers or chat programs. Finally, verify the integrity of your DayZ game files through your launcher to fix any corrupted data. These initial steps are crucial for a smoother experience. Now, let's dive into DayZ's in-game settings. The most impactful change is often reducing your screen resolution. Try 1280 by 720 pixels. Set texture quality to very low or low to minimize video memory usage. Disable or significantly reduce anti-aliasing and post-processing effects like bloom or motion blur. Crucially, turn off shadows and reflections entirely, as these are very demanding on your graphics card. These adjustments will dramatically improve your frame rate. For more advanced optimization, you can edit DayZ's configuration files directly. Locate the DayZ CFG file in your Documents folder. Here, you can manually set the render distance to a lower value, perhaps 1,000 meters, reducing the detail loaded in the distance. Also, look for options to disable ambient occlusion and volumetric effects, which are visually intensive. Some launchers allow you to add launch options, potentially allocating more system RAM to the game process. Finally, ongoing system maintenance and smart mod usage can further help. If you're using a traditional hard drive, regularly defragment it for faster data access. Keep an eye on your CPU and GPU temperatures. Overheating can cause performance drops. Explore community-made performance mods, but always ensure they are compatible and from trusted sources. Lastly, set your computer's power plan to high performance to ensure your hardware is running at its full potential while gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.